So hi guys, I recently shared a message as to how we could use ChatGPT. It's a quick hack which I've thought of, wherein we could use ChatGPT to summarize, say, LinkedIn profiles and create, more personalized emails or messages. Right now, there's a plugin called ChatGPT Summary for Chrome. I believe it's from OpenAI. I'm not sure. But what happens is this plugin is actually used to summarize web pages, right? Now what I'll be doing is I'll be quickly showing you how we could say summarize a profile and then create a LinkedIn message. So so here's the plugin. I just have to click on the plugin, and what it does is it starts summarizing the LinkedIn profile. Okay, it reads the entire profile, and then uh, creates a more personalized email. As you can see, it's taken some of the points from the profile, and then has created a more personalized email. Right now, what you can actually do is, based on the kind of prompt you have, the responses change. You know how ChatGPT works. So you have to do is just click on the settings here, uh, and then play around with different prompts and see what's working best for you. All right, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any queries. Happy to answer them.